which I was really impressed with. It makes a lot of noise on the microphone. So this is a beginner's hand sewing kit. So it comes with this tiny little stitching pony. Now, I've designed a stitching pony in lockdown that isn't too dissimilar to this. But we'll have a look at this. It's really cool. I really like it. So it comes with some different threads, a big bit of sandpaper, some smaller emery board style sanding sticks, some curved needles, some straight needles, some slightly bent needles. That's like a thimble ring, so you can push with it. Some little finger snoods, like little leatherette finger snoods, and it's a decent little set, plus some threads to use. But then what it came with, which I thought was really cool, is this. So as an example, the stitching pony that I made, I designed during lockdown, looks like this. This has got a big flat base on it, but you could swap it out for a clamp. So I designed this, and my friend Luke at Blind Leather, he and his dad made it during lockdown when plywood was at a premium. And they, I don't know if you can see in here, they embedded some magnets in, so needles will stick to the outside. It's adjustable. We've got all these bits on it. It's smaller than my other stitching pony, but it's still quite big, mainly because this is a big old bit of wood, but we can just trim that down. Then what I found on AliExpress was this. That'll clamp onto your table, brill. Same sort of mechanism that we've got. So you unscrew this, it's just stuck together a little bit. So you unscrew this, clamp onto your table, screw it in, hold your piece of work, especially if you're doing little bits, wallet's perfect size. And the other thing it's got is a magnet. It's not hidden like ours is on the outside, but this whole piece, this kit, sorry, was £15 and is exceptionally good. This is now my travel stitching pony because it is this big and not, this big. And I'm not even going to get my other one out because I don't think it'll fit on the screen. That big. So the mouth, okay. So the mouth on my normal stitching pony is about the size of this whole thing. And this is a big old boy with a fixed base that rotates, but is a fixed base and is about 2 foot long. Will be another video on my channel on stitching ponies. This one's not included because I've only just got it. But this, as a little set for the price, is absolutely worth the money. Am I keeping it? Yes. Yeah, definitely keeping that.